Hello. Hi, Irene. Welcome to our episode No Planet B. So happy to have you both. And I'm so excited to ask you a ton of questions about SwapStore. Um, Before that, I would first of all like to know how did you come up with this concept? Like, what was that point of inspiration? How much karna hai? I want to start a business about that revolves around sustainable products. How did you come up with this concept, and what went through your thoughts?
So actually, we are college mates from College of Architecture, Trivandrum. So it's
Yeah.
like our third year, we came across this thing like sustainability, recycling, and all that. And we thought, why not try something like this? Because it's something interesting and something like out
Hmm.
of. So soon after college, we thought we'll do some research on this.
Hmm.
So it took like 6 months for the research. We went through a lot of paperwork, studied a lot about plastic, recycling, missionaries, and all that. And finally, March 2022, we launched SwapStore.
Oh wow.
Basically,
So
it's architecture only. So we started with architecture and we got introduced about sustainability through architecture. So, after in a little bit of research, we got to know about recycling and, how plastic is being recycled and used as another product. So we met a, group of people who practice the same. So that's
okay.
how we got inspired from them and we decided
So
to do
my
it.
I understand Maria is also part of your college. You were all friends from college.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Wow, that's brilliant. So your friends, your business partners, literally you're together.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
I hope I'm audible because there's rain outside. Am
No, no,
I
you're
okay?
audible. You're audible.
So let me ask you this question. Like before all that, let me tell you the design of SwapStore is so sleek and trendy. Such good designs. Congrats on that. It's very difficult to find that fine line where sustainability meets design and that too aesthetic design. So good job there.
Thank you.
So my question to you is your raw material is recycled plastic. So, how do you source plastic waste? And can you take us through the process of how you put a furniture together?
Yeah, that's actually it's a very large process. So since we are a small company, we've not actually started procuring the raw materials directly from the uh, consumers. Like
Okay.
so that there are like multiple industries to this. So there is the primer industry. They'll be collecting the plastic and they'll be cleaning it, and
Okay.
they'll make sure there is good quality recycled plastic available for the recyclers. So that is the secondary
Okay.
industry. So we are the recyclers and we get the plastic from these collectors. So
Okay.
then we actually get it in different forms. We can get it in pellets or flakes, and we take them, we color code them. There are grades. Then we put them into our machines and magic happens.
So I understand currently you're focusing more on panels, right? So the processing
Yeah.
part is between fabricating these panels and then putting it together on a furniture beautifully and aesthetically. So, okay, so the plastic comes out from the collectors. So that's how the
Hmm.
whole processing.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Or,
But yeah, please, Irene, go ahead.
no, no. Since we started small, we'll have to depend on secondary right now. So once it's big, we'll
Definitely. I'm
So
sure you
that's
guys
like,
will.
yeah.
I'm sure this is going places. You'll figure every primary, tertiary, secondary, everything out. It's best to start everything lean. That's how startups are. It's better way to go ahead. But I'm definitely sure there must be challenges you must be facing, probably in terms of procurement, fabrication, and most importantly, I don't know if I'm right saying this. You must be also struggling with the mindset of people in terms of using recycled product. Am I
Very much,
right?
very much.
What do you think? What are
Yeah.
your major challenges in this industry?
So basically, when we make recycled plastic for sheets, it's very difficult to like. So that's why we actually initiated our company with furniture design. So it's easier for people to connect with. So you can see how beautiful recycled plastic can be turned into. So that was a basic aim, to make people understand that it is a very flexible and a very aesthetic product that is, that it's got a lot of possibilities.
True. Working with art, huh?
Yes.
So I feel very happy every time I get to interview a business that's driven around sustainability. Think of it, the plastic that would have ended up in landfills, ended up in polluting our water bodies. You're recycling them and causing very lesser damage to our planet. So happy for what you're doing, and a big thanks for that. So we're coming towards the end of our session. Before I conclude the session, it wouldn't be fair if I don't ask you about Matam. And to our viewers, Matam is this exclusive flea market that focuses on sustainable products. And this brilliant people out here have put this whole thing together. So tell me about Matam, and I'm pretty sure you found your family of like-minded people. How has been your experience?
So Martin is just a small step which we put forward, like to bring all the sustainable families together. And yeah, it was a success. And we had been sustainable and
We met a lot of new people who wanted to do the same things as us. So it was a great platform. We want to meet more people actually. So we'll definitely have more
What
Matams.
I've personally felt is sustainability is one topic where you need people you need to find your tribe. You need that motivation to keep, telling each other, no, no, you'll make it. We'll go together in this ride. So the thing that you put together called Matam, brilliant initiative there. Good job there. Yeah, I'm so happy when I got to see that.
Thanks.
And what's next for SwapStore? Let me end with that question. What are your dreams? Where do you envision things going? I'm pretty sure it's going places, but I would like to hear from you.
yeah, so as we mentioned earlier, we wanted to start from the primary sector and then we want, a studio of our own maybe soon.
I can see that going. The studio by SwapStore. Yeah, that's happening. So thank you so much,
Yeah, a
Irin,
workspace.
Visakha. And please say my hi to Maria. Please do that. And thank you so much for saying yes to my podcast. Thank you for being my guest. I had so much fun. I'm sure our viewers did too. Thank you.
Thanks for having us too.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.